So in this video, I'm going to talk about how I have finished this piece, and now I'm going to show you how to finish the back by using another piece of fabric in a really simple, easy way. So the only thing we need for this is a second piece of fabric and a pair of scissors. So we're going to start by taking this one out of the hoop. And just making sure that there aren't a lot of strings hanging on all sides on the back side. These little bits are fine. I'm going to put the two pieces of fabric together. They don't have to be the same size. They don't even have to be the same color. And then we're going to put our hoop behind and center both pieces of fabric over top. Loosen the outer hoop because it will be more bulk with the two layers of fabric. And squash it on down over top of both. Tighten it somewhat. And then work on making sure the design is centered. Keep tightening. And then when we flip it over, the back side is all neatly enclosed with the backing fabric. So we just have to deal with all this extra fabric. And we're going to take our scissors and just trim . This is actually a very small pair of scissors to do this with. Try to not cut into the hoop like I just did. So now we've got it rough cut. We can go ahead, make sure that the two layers are even. That helps. Go around and do a second cut, just cleaning up the edges a bit. And then, just to tidy up the edges even more, just take one finger and just fray along the edges. Depending on what you use for the backing fabric, it may not fray as nicely as the linen does, but it will do it enough that it just looks a little neater. And then again, take the scissors and just trim off any bits that are sticking way out. And there's our finished hoop. Neat and tidy. All done.